Compact, powerful, and versatile, these mini wonders pack a punch with their top-notch performance and endless possibilities. There are many products available to choose mini PCs, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best mini PCs from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Camry AC1 Plus Mini PC. This compact powerhouse delivers decent performance, customization options, and plenty of connectivity options, all while keeping the price tag affordable. Including an 11th generation Intel Celeron Jasper Lake quad-core N5A105 processor, 8 GB of RAM, Intel UD graphics, and 256 GB of SSD storage that can be expanded up to 2 TB. It also has an efficient cooling fan, which means it can handle basic tasks without any problems. The AC1 Pro runs on Windows 11 Pro, providing you with a familiar and user-friendly interface. It has built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, making it convenient for users to connect to the internet and other devices convenient. The selection of ports here is also generous, with a DC, 2 USB 3.0, 2 USB 2.0, 1 RJ45 Gigabit Ethernet port, 2 HDMI ports, and 1 audio input-output port. Number 2. Beelink Mini PC. The Beelink Sur 5 Mini PC is a great value option due to its powerful performance, generous storage capacity, high-quality graphics, and versatile connectivity options at an incredible price. Equipped with a 6-core 12-thread AMD Ryzen 5 5500U processor, this mini PC offers exceptional performance for both work and gaming. Add to that 16 GB DDR4 memory, 6-core AMD Radeon graphics, and a 500 GB NVMe SSD, and you have a future-proof device that will serve you well for years to come. The Sur 5 supports 4K at 60 Hz UD video and dual displays, making it ideal for design and video editing. The Beelink Sur 5 Mini PC offers Gigabit Ethernet LAN, dual-band 2.4G 5G Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and multiple USB ports for added convenience. Number 3. Beelink Sur 6 Pro Mini PC. If the mini PC you are looking for should have great specs and performance, but without the price tag of a high-end device, the Beelink Sur 6 Pro is exactly the mid-range hero that you've been looking for. Combining power and portability, this mini PC boasts the latest Ryzen 7 processor, which is mostly used on gaming laptops under the hood. It comes with 12-core AMD Radeon graphics and a massive 32 GB RAM, so you won't have to search for a new mini PC or upgrade the hardware anytime soon. Its generous 500 GB SSD gives you plenty of storage for all your applications and files, while the pre-installed Windows 11 Pro Edition provides an incredibly stable environment. To keep it running at its full potential, this all-metal device has a silent CPU fan and a copper heatsink that provides excellent heat dissipation to keep the PC from overheating. Number 4. Miele Fanless Mini PC. The Miele PC Gizo 2 Stick PC is one of the smallest PCs on the market. This pocket-sized wonder might be slightly bigger than a pen drive, but it is certainly capable with pre-installed Windows 11, an Intel Celeron J4125 quad-core processor, 8 GB of RAM, and 256 GB of EMC storage. It even supports a microSD card of up to 1 TB for extra space. It has Gigabit Ethernet, dual-band Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth 4.2 for wireless connectivity to devices like a keyboard, mouse, printer, or webcam. The external antenna provides high-speed connectivity, making the PC G02 a reliable solution for digital signage, billboards, and OOD applications. The best part about the Miele PC Gizo 2, however, is how incredibly easy it is to set up. Simply plug it into any compatible display and you're ready to go. With its plug-and-play design, you can have your new stick PC up and running in no time. Number 5. Beelink Mini PC Mini S. At the heart of the Mini S is an Intel N5D95 Celeron J4125 processor, delivering speedy and efficient performance for basic tasks. The Mini S comes with 8 GB of DDR4 RAM that can be upgraded to 16 GB and 128 GB of SSD storage that can be expanded up to 2 TB, ensuring that you have the power and space you need to run digital signage applications without any problems. It is also incredibly versatile, with various connectivity options, including HDMI, USB-C, Ethernet, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth. This makes it easy to connect to a wide range of displays, peripherals, and other digital signage devices, giving you complete flexibility in how you set up and configure your digital signage system. That's all from on my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.